Hi, we're the Little Friends of Printmaking from Pasadena, California. I'm JW.
And I'm Melissa.
We're illustrators and artists and designers with a focus on silkscreen. We've been working together for more than 20 years. We sell our prints all over the world. We're first and foremost printmakers. Silkscreen and all its little quirks and foibles completely inform our aesthetic and everything that we do. We love silkscreen's bright colors. We love the luminous surfaces and the transparent inks.
We get a lot of inspiration from vintage shopping, going to all the different flea markets. Just being in Southern California in general is the greatest inspiration of all, with all its like various landscapes and the plants and the animals here. This is where we print. This is where we do all of our prints. This is our printing press. This is a print that I'll be printing later today. These are the inks that I'm gonna use right here. Then I have over here all of our aprons. When our prints are complete, we store them in our flat file.
Let me show you how I use Adobe Illustrator to make silkscreen prints. This is our print shop print. The print has 4 colors, black, pink, blue, and yellow. See how the pieces here overlap with the black? That's called trapping. And it helps us during the printing process to make sure all the little pieces line up just right without little slivers of white paper showing around everything. You can see all the problem areas really easily and use the offset path tool to trap your objects. I'm using 2 points of trapping. All right, and now let me show black. You can see that it's just like the rest and it's gonna work great.